So regarding CAR T-cell therapy, which is chimeric antigen receptor T-cell therapy for multiple myeloma, we've seen a lot of new trials in the past couple of years, and most recently we were able to see the matured results of the phase 1 BB2121 study, which was recently published in the New England Journal, and that showed a median PFS of 11.8 months. So that's a wonderful thing because these patients were really heavily pre-treated, 7 lines of treatment, and many of them probably wouldn't have made it another month. But what was interesting is that some people saw this as such a great response and others saw it, well, we still have work to do. And I think the answer is probably somewhere in the middle. We know now there are a lot of companies working with CAR T cells, but also a lot of academic investigators and industry investigators looking to see how we can improve this response, whether it's by changing how long the cells are in the body, persistence, efficacy in that regard, or changing how strong the reaction is from the T cells to the target cells. I think we have a lot of expectation for BCMA-directed CAR T cells, but we also have expectations for other BCMA-directed agents like the BCMA bispecific engagers, of which the AMG 420 was presented this past year at ASCO. Also, we're having a lot of expectations for the upcoming BCMA ADC, or antibody-drug conjugate, from GSK, which has also recently published data, and their median PFS is also around a year, which is similar to CAR T. I think what this means is that we're at a time where not every patient has to get every single same immunotherapy. There are different options available for different patients depending on where they're being treated, what their comorbidities are, and what their personal goals are for their treatment.